If your Trust Wallet transaction is pending, it typically means the blockchain is waiting for confirmation or there's an issue with network congestion. Here's how to fix it. Check network status. Some blockchains experience delays due to high traffic. Check the status of the specific network on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or BSC Scan. If the network is congested, your transaction might take longer to confirm. Increase gas fees. Low gas fees can result in delays. If you're using Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, you can speed up the transaction by adjusting the gas fee. In Trust Wallet, tap on the pending transaction and look for the option to speed up or increase gas fees. Check for insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough funds in your wallet to cover both the transaction and the network fee. Insufficient funds may cause the transaction to stay pending. Wait for network confirmation. Sometimes transactions can take a while to be confirmed, especially during periods of high network activity. Give it some time and check back. Contact support. If the transaction is still pending after a long time, consider reaching out to Trust Wallet support or the blockchain network support for further help.